So yeah, hey everyone, welcome to day 5 of me doing the leetcode challenge. And today I'll be doing uh, uh, this question, continue with water. But first, let me check if I'm properly streaming or not. So let me go to the channel section. Live. Yes, I'm live. Continue. It looks like my audio is uh, fine as well. All right, now time for equal. So Prism. I did Prism yesterday on stream, and I could not like really complete it. So uh, I tried to do it off camera as well. Uh, to do Prism, yeah, you need to know how to do Prism too as well. So at first, like I kind of went ahead and solve this problem again to sum 2 again. To sum 2 is easier than to sum in my opinion. Like even though both of them are of medium difficulty, to sum 2 is really much easier compared to three sum. Yeah. Even though like I solved the thing, but I could not uh, quite understand what I was doing, so I'll attempt it at a later date again. I'll just press mine, so I'll just start over here, and today I'll just go with this question. Okay, uh, my throat it is a bit itchy. Let me just drink some more. It's 4:40 a.m. right now, and so I've got about 54 or like 45 minutes just to complete everything. All right, let me start the timer. Uh, Over here. Uh, it's Canva. Let me open this in case I need to like visualize something. Okay, let's start with the question. Question number is 11. Container with most water. Oh, there's a figure given here as well. Um, I think it's going to be really difficult because there's even a figure here. Like, this is the first question that I'm trying to solve, where I've seen the lead code website give us a figure to kind of explain the question. So it's going to be a bit difficult, in my opinion. So yeah, you are given an integer array height of length n. So there's a array height of length n. There are n vertical lines drawn such that two endpoints of the ith line are I comma 0 and I comma height I. What? Uh, there are n vertical lines. Okay, so each element in the uh, array is a vertical line. The 2 points of the ith line are I comma 0. The two endpoints. Okay, so endpoint is I comma 0. So array starts from 1, and there's nothing on 2, there's nothing on 3, there's nothing on 4, there's, wait, I comma 2 and I comma height I. So 1, 6, 1, 6, and what's this? 2, 5, 4, 8, 3. Of these are uh, elements in the array height, but find two lines that together with the x-axis form a container such that the container contains the most part of find two lines that together with the x-axis. Oh, okay. So this red line is also uh, uh red line is also what you call it element in the array. All right. So you have to find two lines together with the x-axis that form container such that container contains the most water, return the maximum amount of water a container can store. Note you may not slant the container. Okay, so we've got like 2D water tank, and we have to find uh, the 2 points such that the area is greatest. Uh, the vertical lines are represented by array 186. Yeah, in this case, the max area of water blue section the container can contain is 49. So it's sevens of 8 times 7 is 8 times 7 is 49. By 8 times 7 is 756. So what's this? It's definitely 8, and it's 6. 8 times 6, 48. Over 6. So this is height, right? So it's length times breadth. The length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and here we have this bar. Mm, so what's the length of this? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Uh, right. I don't know. That's 7 times 7 equals 49. So what's the length? So 1 comma 1 output is 1. So 1, 1, pick 2. 2 would be okay. So mm, so length this the length from the uh, on the x-axis equals index of L R minus index of uh, so R pointer minus L pointer minus 1. Right. And breadth equals to the vertical height. Height is equals um, max of height L pointer R uh, height pointer. So that's the length and the breadth. I think this is easy, right? So that's the length and the breadth, and equals length and breadth. And what we have to do is while L pointer is less than. Let me think about that later. So while these was, you have to like shrink it. You have to move these lines from here to here to find out the. No, it's min or max. Alright, so if let's let me check for the like for the first iteration thing. So we have one here. This 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 kind of this picture kind of like uh helps you to like visualize exactly what you need to do for the two-point approach. So yeah, so we have this part over here. So let us take the first uh, first wall and the last wall where the uh, area would be 9, 8, right? Yeah, 8 because there are 9 these things, and so it will be 1 times 8, the area would be 9, and okay, so you have to do something like current area equals, and so the max area equals uh maximum of current area comma max. Yeah, it's similar to the question, recent question of yesterday's, and like really similar to the tuition two question. doing the tuition to question yesterday like twice, like it really it was really helpful. I also did it in Java, so I know the now I can say that I really know about like how to do the two-pointer question. Uh, yeah, the vertical lines are represented. The max area is maximum of current area and the max area. And now what I can do is okay, so let's visualize it again. So this is the first wall or pillar that holds the waters. I will can I do it in open? And uh, I I can do it in N square. So at least like I do know of one way to solve it. So one way is to just go over from uh with the first index like check try to get the maximum area by decreasing this by one and then just go forward over here and with what I could do is just sort it. Will sorting work? What will happen if I sort it? All right. Okay, so if I sort it, then it will be this and this. No, I can't sort it. If I sort it, then I will not have the uh, length. The length will be different. Yeah. There's like L L pointer equals 0. R pointer equals len height minus 1 and max area equals uh, uh, let's do 0 for now. Hmm. Well, the area can be 0, so maybe it will be better if to just default it to 1, but I will think about it later. While L pointer is less than R pointer, or the left pointer is less than R pointer, you just length equals the R pointer minus L pointer minus 1 and breadth equals minimum of height L pointer comma height R pointer. So we've got like this kind of height results. So all right, now what we have to do is current area equals the length times breadth. So current area will be product of length time. Breadth and max area will be max current area, max area. So for I and range len nums minus one, or maybe I will just do some like len minus two. Uh, I'll pointer plus equals one. Uh, and our pointer is equals. So this will be the left pointer, and this will be the right pointer at first. So what will happen is, yeah, return max area. Nums is not defined as HEI height. My bad. Did I? Yeah. Uh, everyone else as I've written it as height, so that's fine. I think I will be out of time. Oh wait, I forgot to pointer and I forgot to like decrease the R pointer. Okay, it ran, but for some reason it's how short is it? Uh, so 89 minus 42 is 7. Like 49 minus 42 is equals 7. Okay, so it's how about this. First case I've got it's fine, and for the second case I'll default the max area to 1, and I will, yeah, and if I run it, then it's accepted. It's 32 milliseconds, and now time to submit it. I think it will take too much time, and it will just give me an error. Wait, what? Use this space. So what's happening is the expected answer was 16, but I got 9. So I got 9 instead of 16. So for this question, the was it will be this will be 4 times 4. That's about what's happening here. Uh, so for range, length, height, as you get first, I think it's not taking the last one. Pointer is like what's happening? Find range len height. So takes length of the height. One, two, three, four, five. All right. Add pointer plus equals one. Oh, now I get the error. So it was increasing the left pointer before it ran, so it was a static lesson there. Still, I should not get the output of 9 because, yeah, uh, even though it ran, it's not correct. So let's see how many test cases it will not pass. Because in here it multiplied 3 times 3. It should not be the case. All right, so okay, so in here it's asking for 0.2. The max area should be okay. The lowest you can go is 0. Yeah. So it passes this as well. So what test case does not pass? Uh, Time limit exceeded. Okay. Uh, and the keynotes Tmax and the main.py. Uh, so let me just delete it now. So I've got our plus. So let me just copy this over here. Okay, important. Alright, so this is def max area height equals so this is the code. If I like how do I just remove the Uh, I was trying to do test it, but I can't uh get the terminal. So yeah, about. Mm, I want to check if the time limit didn't exceed if my algorithm would work or not. But yeah, so let me just look at the hint. Currently, how long has that have I been streaming? So it's been about 20 minutes. It's 5:10. So I've got till 5:30, so about 20 minutes. Ah, but getting that all right. Is that moving the longer side inwards is completely unnecessary because the height of the water is bounded by the shorter side. In other words, we'll never be able to get greater area by moving longer side inwards because the height will either stay the same or get shorter, and the width will keep decreasing. We can skip all this calculation and instead move shorter side inwards. This way we might get a taller height and a larger area. So at each step, we calculate the area, then move the shorter side inwards. When the left and right sides meet, we are done, and we can return the largest calculated area. I don't get what it's trying to say, but okay, kind of similar to what I'm doing. It's not using for loop, we're just using a while loop. So area is what's this area r minus l times minimum height and height max area equals max area comma area. What is it doing? Okay, area equals times the minimum. All right. Oh yeah, he's like kind of doing the same what I'm doing. And if yeah, like his approach is like really similar to mine, but instead of using another loop, he's going is checking if left height is less than right height. If it is, then is the right height. Then okay, so like he's just uh okay, he's just trying to find out the let me look at the picture again. So he's just checking if this left is less than the right, and if it is, then uh decrease the right. Oh wait, no, increase the if height of left is less than height of right, then okay. So if height of left is less than height of right, then increase height by 1. So what he's doing is if that's so this is the first wall, and if this first wall is less than this last wall, which is yes, increase it by 1. Okay, and if it it is not less than by this, then decrease this. Okay, and again. Oh, I so okay. I kind of get it. So it compares the left it from the left side and the right side, and when the like it goes from left to right and right to left, and when it like finds the highest thing, like yeah, when it finds the highest thing, it just stops there, and just the right side kind of keeps on decreasing. Mm, uh, I kind of get it, but I'll just watch a video on it as well to get a better understanding of it. So I actually don't need it. Need this. Uh, so yeah, max area. Well, L pointer is less than R pointer. Length equals R pointer minus L pointer. So the length is equal. Yeah. So that's if height L pointer is less than height R pointer, then L pointer plus equals 1 as R pointer minus equals 1. This will work. Yeah, it works. I, I only changed the code a little bit, so it's mostly my code. The people have done what? There's no way someone will get in 46 milliseconds. For case map loads X. Here's we use pointers, set area, determine height, and okay, update max it necessarily if max height times this is less than break. Max height times z minus I is I don't understand this thing, but what if I put on my code? So will it make my thing? Okay, so this is max height. Uh, so I is the pointer. R pointer is R pointer minus L pointer. So that's the equals to M. What's M? M is the current max. Uh, so it's current area. Yeah, okay, so like I don't know what this piece of code does, but max height. Uh, max area. Yeah, well, my code previously ran in like around the same time. With my battery is low. Is uh okay. I don't know what that did, but kind of did something. Uh, yeah. Okay, it's 5:20, and I completed it, and I now know what to do, how to solve it. Let me just check my GitHub if it was updated as well. 3 minutes ago. Yes, it was updated. Leet code medium. Yep, happens. Fine. Now, yeah. So that's it. I guess let's just take this off. So, I'll have to this recent question uh again because it was very hard, very difficult. Well, let's continue with if I didn't do some do then this would be quite it would be kind of like difficult for me as well. But since I did do some too, this was really similar to do some too. So I just looked at the pattern and yeah. And tomorrow it's uh trapping rainwater. Let me just look at this question. I've never done a hard question, but then is one compute how much water it can trap after raining? Okay, it looks uh, e- easy. I don't know, like uh, I don't know how you're supposed to do it, but like kind of does looks not that hard. Yeah. I'll tackle this problem tomorrow. And yeah, guys, that was it for today. I did what I did I did continue with most water this question. Mm, yeah, bye.